Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Um, we haven't been discussing what I'm doing. We've been discussing a lot with the camper and all the prep that we're doing for our trip. But around the property, we've been trying to get it so that um, our dogs can run around without being on a leash. It's kind of, open here, and most of the neighbors don't have any fences, so we're closing it in. And our neighbors have secretly, they don't know that we know, but they call us the compound because we've fenced in the entire property. Up at the front, we put in a cattle gate. I don't know if we've shown you that before. So we close that up at night. We close the compound down at night. But we're making a pedestrian path so that when we're not here, the people who read the gas meter and stuff like that can make it into the property without having to go through the cattle gate. So I've built a gate. Here's one half. I'm going to sandwich some of this green turkey wire, I think they call it, or I don't know, whatever wire they call it. I'm going to sandwich that in there. It's a pretty big gate. It's a fairly wide opening, so this is actually the width of the opening and that's the height. And here's the hardware that I'm going to be using. That's my latch spring to make sure it closes if somebody goes through and forgets to close it. And I'm putting 3 hinges because by the time I sandwich this together, it's going to be pretty heavy and I want to make sure that it has plenty of stability. So that's where I am. I am by no means a builder. I figure things out as I go. I had no blueprints, unlike the Adirondacks chairs that I built last year. Those I had blueprints from Home Depot and they were great. But this, I'm winging it. So if it turns out crappy, I have nobody to blame but myself. So stay tuned. We'll show you when we're done. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you later. Thanks.